Sam Kerr, the prominent Australian and Chelsea footballer, vehemently refuted accusations of employing whiteness as a derogatory term during a contentious encounter with police. The incident, which unfolded at a police station, involved a heated exchange with PC Stephen Lovell, culminating in Kerr allegedly referring to the officer as stupid and white. This assertion formed a significant part of the prosecution's case, painting Kerr's conduct as abusive and ins. However, Kerr's defense presented a different interpretation of the events, arguing that her comments were not racially motivated, but rather a critique of power dynamics and perceived privilege. The court proceedings revealed a complex narrative. Kerr's legal team emphasized that her statements were intended as commentary on the perceived power and privilege inherent in Lovell's position as a police officer, rather than a direct attack on his race. The phrase, stupid and white, according to the defense, wasn't meant to be a racial slur, but rather a frustrated expression highlighting what she believed to be an unfair and biased interaction. This interpretation underscored a central point of contention: whether Kerr's words, however inflammatory, constituted a racially charged insult or a critical observation about societal power structures. The prosecution, however, focused on the impact of Kerr's words, arguing that regardless of intent, the use of such language was inherently offensive and inappropriate. The previously reported statement, "This is a racial fucking thing," further complicated the situation, providing the prosecution with compelling evidence to support their claim of racial motivation. The defense, in turn, sought to contextualize this statement within the overall heated exchange, suggesting it reflected Kerr's feeling of being unfairly targeted and misunderstood rather than a deliberate expression of racial hatred. The case, therefore, hinges not only on the literal interpretation of Kerr's words, but also on the subtle nuances of intent, context, and the interpretation of perceived power imbalances within the police-citizen interaction. The outcome will undoubtedly set a precedent for similar cases involving accusations of racial slurs and the complexities of interpreting emotionally charged language within a legal framework.